Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to make these 2D buildings that looks 3D and our first step is to make guidelines. This is what I learned from my class and I'm going to teach you all as well. So our first step is to make guidelines and I have already made guidelines but I'll show you. Take a line and make it with anything. You can keep it 1. I'll keep it 0.2 and the height of the line should be 54.75. Then we're gonna press Alt and drag it other side. Like, distance doesn't matter, but it shouldn't be very big. Then we'll press Ctrl D and it will automatically copy and paste. Then we'll align it, center align कर देंगे and then we're gonna group it. Control G is the shortcut. Then we're gonna use this rotate tool and take an angle of 60 degree. Then we're gonna again select the back line that is in 0 degree and rotate it in 120. The back line of 0 degree, we're gonna intersect it with the two lines, forming a triangle like structure. Control Y shows us the wireframe. So we're gonna do Control Y and align it properly. Select the whole structure and we're gonna click on view option and then click on guidelines, make guidelines. Then we're gonna again open view guidelines and mm, wait, log guidelines. But here I have already made guidelines, okay? So we're gonna delete it, and this is how you make guidelines. Basically, the first step is to make a line with the height of 54.75. Then we're gonna rotate it 60 degree, 120 degree, and then we're gonna align it to make a triangle like structure. Then we're gonna select everything, use view guidelines, like click on view guidelines, then view guidelines, and then make guidelines. Then again, we're gonna click on view guidelines and then log guidelines. Then using a pen tool, we're gonna make structures. See, there is a problem we face during selecting. If suppose there is a box already made and then we use pen tool, it shows a minus sign and it removes that part of that box. Like, you can see what I faced. So for that, I'm gonna use shift. We're gonna press shift and make boxes. So now you know how to make a 3D looking box. Hence, you can also make a building like this with similar structure. Thank you. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone. I hope you like this video.